How to clear browsing history on iPhone 12. So here, if you use the Safari browser or Google Chrome browser, here I'm going to walk you through how you can easily clear your browsing history. So if you're done of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to clear browsing history on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, while on your settings page, you want to scroll down the page, click on apps, then scroll down to Safari and click on it. Now, once you click on Safari, you'll be taken to the Safari settings page. On this page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to clear history and website data. Then go ahead and tap that. Then once you click on that, select the time frame here. You have the last 1 hour all history. So today and yesterday, today. So here, I'm going to clear all the history. You can also close all open tabs. If you want to close all your open tabs, there's about this. Then tap clear all history. Now, if you see clear history and website data grayed out, then you're good to go. Then another thing you want to do is when you want to clear browsing history on your iPhone using other browser like Chrome, just go ahead and open the Chrome browser. Click on the 3 dots at the bottom right, then click on settings. Once you click on the settings, then you want to scroll down the page. Just scroll down and then you want to click on privacy and security. Once you selected privacy and security, go ahead and click on delete browsing data. Then here, you want to choose the range of the browsing data you want to delete by clicking on the time range. So maybe in the last hour, last 24, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or whole time. So once you selected this time frame, just scroll down and click on delete browsing history. Then tap delete browsing history or data, and then you're good to go. You see that? Then go ahead and tap the button at the top right, and then you can then close the page. So that is basically how to clear browser history on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.